Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastav. Friend, today we are discussing important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: which of the following statement is not true? First, teaching material can support student learning and increase student success. Second, teaching material should be selected keeping in mind the objective of English. Third, teaching material do not support learning. And fourth, teaching material serve as resource to the teacher. Which of the following statement is not true? So teaching material do not support learning will be right answer. Third will be right answer because the statement that teaching material do not support learning is not true. As learning takes place with the help of teaching material also. Okay, as learning take place टीचिंग मटेरियल्स ऑल्सो. लर्निंग के लिए टीचिंग मटेरियल का भी यूज होता है. इसमें नहीं पूछा है कि इज़ नॉट ट्रू, कौन सा कथन गलत है. तो टीचिंग मटेरियल डू नॉट सपोर्ट लर्निंग, रॉन्ग. टीचिंग मटेरियल ऑल्सो सपोर्ट लर्निंग. ओके, तो ये सही है क्योंकि निगेटिव क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो आंसर क्या होगा, निगेटिव होगा फ्रेंड. थर्ड विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. विच ऑफ दीज एक्टिविटी मे हेल्प pupil to enhance their interested in learning? First, diversified teaching activities. Second, instant feedback. Third, only first. And fourth, both first and second. Which of these activity may help pupil to enhance their interested in learning? To diversified teaching activities and instant feedback. These activity may help pupil to enhance their interested in learning. Both first and second. Okay. तो 4 विल बी राइट आंसर. बोथ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड आर करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. टीचिंग एड्स सच एज चार्ट, मैप एंड ड्राइंग शुड बी यूज्ड बाय टीचर एज दे फर्स्ट प्रीफर स्टूडेंट मेंटली, सेकंड मोटिवेट फॉर फर्दर प्रिपरेशन, थर्ड आर नॉट एक्सपेंसिव एंड फोर्थ आर इजली अवेलेबल. तो टीचिंग एड्स सच एज चार्ट, मैप एंड ड्राइंग शुड बी यूज बाय टीचर्स एज दे तो प्रिपेयर स्टूडेंट मेंटली एंड मोटिवेट फॉर फर्दर प्रिपरेशन. ओके, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ विल बी इनकरेक्ट आंसर. तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड करेक्ट है, वो हो जाएगा इसमें कि टीचिंग एड्स सच एज चार्ट, मैप एंड ड्राइंग शुड बी यूज बाय टीचर एज दे प्रीफर स्टूडेंट मेंटली एंड मोटिवेट फॉर फर्दर प्रिपरेशन. ओके, तो राइट थर्ड विल बी करेक्ट आंसर. बहुत फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. आइडेंटिफाई द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ टीचिंग एड्स टू बी यूज्ड बाय द इंस्ट्रक्टर. फर्स्ट, दीज एड्स शुड बी मीनिंगफुल एंड सर्व अ यूजफुल पर्पज. सेकंड, teaching aids should be simple and may be improvised. Third, supplement oral teaching. And fourth, all of the above. Identify the characteristic of teaching aid to be used by the instructor. तो these aids should be meaningful and serve useful purpose. ये भी करेक्ट है. थर्ड सेकंड क्या है कि teaching aid should be simple and may be improvised. सेकंड भी करेक्ट है. थर्ड है supplement oral teaching, ये भी करेक्ट है. फोर्थ, all of the above. राइट आंसर इज all of the above. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. टीचिंग लर्निंग मटेरियल शुड बी सेलेक्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू. टीचिंग लर्निंग मटेरियल शुड बी सेलेक्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू. फर्स्ट, their ability in respective areas. Second, the objective of teaching. Third, their cost. And fourth, none of the above. So right answer is second, the objective of teaching. Next question. Visual aids used in teaching learning process help in the attainment of which of the following objective of teaching? First, cognitive, affective and psychomotor. Second, only cognitive and affective. Third, only cognitive. Fourth, only affective. तो राइट आंसर जो होगा इसमें कि विजुअल एड्स पूछा है. विजुअल एड्स यूज इन टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस हेल्प इन दी अटेनमेंट ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ टीचिंग. तो कॉग्निटिव, अफेक्टिव एंड साइकोमोटर. ओके, फर्स्ट विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. विच ऑफ दी फॉलोइंग एड्स हेल्प अ स्टूडेंट टू हियर द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड गेट द लेटेस्ट न्यूज एंड डेवलप हिज हर comprehension ability. तो फर्स्ट है चॉक बोर्ड, सेकेंड है टेक्स्ट बुक, थर्ड है रेडियो एंड फोर्थ है फ्लैश कार्ड. तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड, रेडियो. ओके, थर्ड विल बी करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लैंग्वेज लैब इज मोर हेल्पफुल फॉर फर्स्ट pronunciation correction, second understanding spoken English, third innovative teaching and fourth all of the above. तो language lab is more helpful for pronunciation correction, understanding spoken English, innovative teaching, all of the above will be right answer. Correct, 4 will be correct answer. Next question. Listening a language through native speaker is possible. First, in classroom. Second, through movies. Third, by using lingua phone. Fourth, none of these. Right answer is third, by using lingua phone. Next question. Latika, teacher of class second, uses pictures and chart to narrate a story. She is doing so as to first make the learner happy. Second, build fine cognitive skills. Third, encourage play with no other objective. And fourth, motivate the learner to learn with interest and absorb. So Latika, teacher of class second, uses pictures and chart to narrate a story. She is doing so as to motivate the learner to learn with interest and absorb. 4 will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. According to an old Chinese proverb, A fill in the blanks is worth 10,000 words. First, computer. Second, radio. Third, sorry, and fourth, picture. So according to an old Chinese proverb, A fill in the blanks is worth 10,000 words. So 10,000 word is picture. 4 will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. The teacher's role is shifting from sage and the teacher's role in shifting from sage on the stage to guide on the side. Technology integration help this process when first, system store more data and administer test individually to student. Second, student actively search for and explore answer instead of receiving standard inputs. Third, easy retrieval of large quantity of storage data is used to facilitate preparation of notes. And fourth, assessment of students online input is done quickly without supervision at any time. So the teacher role is shifting from stage on the stage to guide on the side. Technology integration help this process when student actively search for and explore answer instead of receiving standard inputs. Okay, second will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. A good textbook may have one or more these qualities. A good textbooks may have one or more these qualities. First, enumerate good introduction and conclusion in each chapter. Second, the chapter should have both practice and references exercises. Third, no difficult words should be given in the textbook. And fourth, cover page of textbook should be very attractive. So right answer is third, कि no difficult words should be given in the textbook. Third will be correct answer. Next, थर्ड में फ्रेंड्स की इनुमरेट गुड इंट्रोडक्शन एंड कंक्लूजन इन ईच चैप्टर. अ गुड टेक्स्ट बुक में हैव वन और मोर ऑफ दीज क्वालिटीज़ पूछा है, तो इसमें दो आंसर, सॉरी फ्रेंड, दो आंसर करेक्ट हो जाएगा. इनुमरेट गुड इंट्रोडक्शन एंड कंक्लूजन इन ईच चैप्टर एंड द चैप्टर शुड बी the chapter should have both practice and reference exercise. First and second will be correct answer. So right answer is third. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. कीपिंग इन व्यू द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक, व्हाट शुड बी केप्ट इन हिज माइंड वाइल सेलेक्टिंग अ टेक्स्ट बुक. फर्स्ट, एज, इंटरेस्ट एंड इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस. Second, the cover should be attractive and qualities. Third, textbook should cover the objective of the subject. And fourth, the publisher of the book should be well known. So, keeping in view the significance of textbook, what should be kept in his mind while selecting a textbook. So third will be correct answer कि age, interested and individual differences, ये करेक्ट है. एंड सेकंड, द कवर शुड बी अट्रैक्टिव एंड क्वालिटी. ओके. एंड थर्ड, द टेक्स्ट बुक शुड कवर द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. एंड फोर्थ, द पब्लिशर ऑफ द बुक शुड बी वेल नोन. ये तो ये गलत है, तो पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा राइट है इसमें, तो थर्ड विल बी करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. सम क्वांटिटीज ऑफ गुड इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक्स आर. सम क्वालिटीज ऑफ गुड इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक्स आर. Some qualities of good English textbooks are: first, good printing with no spelling mistakes. Second, suitable font and size. Third, realistic and interesting subject matter. And fourth, all of the above. So right answer is 4, all of the above. Next question देखेंगे. Next question, a teacher is reading a lesson about wildlife in class 5 when suddenly a child beneath gets up and says that tigers should not be killed as they are becoming extinct. The learner reaction to the lesson can be described as first, seeking attention of the whole class, second, interrupting the lesson, और थर्ड है रिलेटिंग टेक्स्ट कंटेंट विथ हिज ओन नॉलेज अबाउट वाइल्ड लाइफ, एंड फोर्थ है ट्राई टू शो हिज सुपीरियरिटी ऑफ नॉलेज. तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड, रिलेटिंग टेक्स्ट कंटेंट विथ हिज ओन नॉलेज अबाउट वाइल्ड लाइफ. थर्ड विल बी करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है कि लीना यूजेज बिग रीडिंग बुक्स इन हर लैंग्वेज क्लासेस टू. लीना यूजेज बिग रीडिंग बुक्स इन हर लैंग्वेज क्लासेस टू. फर्स्ट, use these illustrate colorful books for reading together. Second, use them for big student of different ages. Third, allow student to read at home. Fourth, ensure books carry a lot of information. Right answer is first, use these illustrated colorful books for reading together. First will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. Latika, teacher of young learner, provides them with opportunity to play with clay, water and sand to so as to first please them and make them happy, second dirty their hands so that they may learn to wash them, third build fine motor skill especially of the finger and thumb, and fourth encourage play with no other objective. So right answer is third, build fine motor skills especially of the finger and thumb. Okay, third will be correct answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अ टेक्स्ट बुक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अ टेक्स्ट बुक्स डिस्क्राइब अ डोमेस्टिक सीन्स. अ टेक्स्ट बुक्स डिस्क्राइब अ डोमेस्टिक सीन विच शोज द फादर कुकिंग इन द किचन, द मदर कमिंग होम फ्रॉम वर्क एंड देयर सन सेविंग, एंड व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट कन्वेड. What is the concept conveyed? A textbook describe a domestic scene which shows the father cooking in the kitchen, the mother coming home from work, and their son saving. What is the concept conveyed? Conveyed to first है division of labor among sexes, second work is worship, third removing gender biases, and fourth dignity of labor. Right answer is third, removing gender biases. Third will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. The use of dictionary does not help learner to. The use of dictionary does not help learners to first find out how to say a word, second to proficient in oral communication, third find the meaning of words, and fourth check the part of speech of word. Right answer is second, be proficient in oral communication. The use of dictionary does not help learner to be proficient oral communication. Second will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. Teacher Amrita uses various texts such as creating chart, information and presenting them through pair or group work. This differentiated instruction. First is a way of demonstrating her own knowledge. Second, only help the bright learner. Third is the best way to prepare student for an assessment. And fourth, help learner with multiple intelligence to perform well and learn better. So a teacher Amrita uses various texts such as creating chart, information and presenting them through pair or group work. This differentiated instruction. So 4 will be correct answer. Help learner with multiple intelligences to perform well and learn better. 4 will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. An effective language teacher. फर्स्ट है इसमें विल मेक चिल्ड्रेंस लर्न ऑल द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट. सेकंड, विल यूज द टेक्स्ट बुक as well as other material as resource for teaching. Third, will prepare a question paper using only the question given in the textbook. And fourth, will really entirely on the prescribed textbook. So an effective language teacher will use the textbook as well as other material as resource for teaching. Okay, second will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. A good introduction to a text should be. A good introduction to a text should be first telling the student anything that they can find out for themselves by reading the text. Second, a detailed explanation of the meaning of the text. Third, blocking the student active involvement by means of questioning. And fourth, short and to the point. So right answer is कि a good introduction to a text should be short and to the point. 4 will be correct answer. Next question, which of the following is not a study skill? First, getting information from an encyclopedia. Second, writing formal reports. Third, note taking. And fourth, using a dictionary. So which of the following is not a study skill? So is not a study skill. Note taking is not a study skill. Okay, third will be right answer. आगे देखेंगे. अगला क्वेश्चन है कि ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट वर्क हेल्प इन डेवलपिंग. ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट वर्क हेल्प इन डेवलपिंग. फर्स्ट है अ हाई लेवल ऑफ एम्बिशन टू अचीव. सेकंड, collaboration, critical thinking and problem solving. Third, competition among learner to excel in academics. And fourth, good memory in the young learner. So group project work help in developing. So group project work help in developing collaboration, critical thinking and problem solving. Okay, group project work help in developing collaboration, critical thinking and problem solving. Second will be right answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. यूज ऑफ द मीडियम ऑफ मोशन पिक्चर ऑफर्स ए एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द स्टूडेंट. फर्स्ट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. सेकंड, इनडायरेक्ट. थर्ड, कॉन्क्रीट. एंड फोर्थ, विकेरियस. तो यूज ऑफ द मीडियम ऑफ मोशन पिक्चर ऑफर ए एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द स्टूडेंट. तो एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द स्टूडेंट इज 4 vicarious. Okay, 4 will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. According to the recommendation of National Curriculum Framework 2005, technology could be integrated. First, with the larger goal and process of educational programs. Second, with revision to meet current developmental policies of the central government. Third, as an add on the main educational goals. And 4, used only judiciously subject to the economics and social goals of a community. So according to the recommendation of National Curriculum Framework 2005, technology could be integrated. Technology could be integrated is with the large goals and process of educational program. First will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. The learning experience that offer a vicarious experience to learners are: first, field trip observation. Second, real object and specimens. Third, abstracts, word case study. And fourth, display boards, film clip. तो right answer is 4 कि the learning experience that offer a vicarious experience to learner are display board, film clip. Okay, 4 will be correct answer. Next question, in computer aided instruction CAI, the stimulation mode is where learners first get problems which are solved by a process for trial and error. Second, experience real life system and phenomena. And third, receive bits of information followed by question with immediate feedback. And fourth, a series of exercise with repetition practice. Right answer is second कि experience real life system and phenomena. Okay, second will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है टाइप ऑफ टेक्स्ट मीडिया आर. टाइप्स ऑफ टेक्स्ट मीडिया आर: फर्स्ट, ऑडियो डिस्क एंड टेप्स. सेकंड, इलस्ट्रेशंस एंड डायग्राम्स. थर्ड, मोशन पिक्चर एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज. एंड फोर्थ, डिजिटल ई बुक्स एंड ई जर्नल्स. right answer is 4 digital e books and e journals. Okay, 4 will be correct answer. Thank you friends.